All right, we're going to do a quick demo on redaction here. All right, we're going to do a quick demo on redaction. With redaction, what we're doing is we are redacting information as it comes out of the database. So in the past, we had applications that redacted the information at the screen. The problem with that is the data was still leaving the database. So we have a table here, customers, and in customers we have a social security number and a credit card number. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a policy using DBS redact, add policy on our lockered customers. We're going to call that policy sensitive cusdat. The expression here is very important. Whenever it evaluates to true, the data will be redacted. So in this case, we're going to go where 1 equals 1. And we're redacting social security number, and we're going to do a partial redaction. And this is the format parameters. I'll write more on that in the bottom of this post, but let's go ahead and execute that. So we have created the policy on the customers table. So if I go show user, let's go con app user at ORCL. And I want to see select SSN, CC, and BR from rlockered.customers. And as you can see, social security number has been redacted, but credit card number, we have a suited credit card number here, is still visible. Therefore, what we're going to do is we're going to come down here and we're going to run dbms redact alter policy on our lockered customers and the same policy name, and we're going to add in the credit card number using the add column, and we're going to do a partial redaction again, and this time we're using the predefined format from Oracle, and again I will write more on that later. So let's go ahead and execute this. All right. And now if I run this again, as you can see, credit card number has been redacted also. Let's say we have a users or a set of user who must access social security number and credit card number in order to do their job. So we created a role called sensitive read, and we gave that role to a user. And here in expression, we're using syscontext to check to see if that user has the role. Now this is important with expression. Two things. If it evaluates to true, the data will be redacted. If it evaluates to false, the data will not be redacted. You have two ways to use expression. You can use constant, like where 1 equals 1, or use syscontext. Anything else will not work. So let's go ahead and run that. And as you can see, app user, it's still redacted, but if we connect a sensitive user, and run the same query, sensitive user has full access to all of the data. And